All right, so today we have a question about if you have a balance on a tax year from an older tax year and you file new returns, what happens there? Straightforward question. Tank M says, so I owe $2,200 on 2021's tax return. Okay. I filed 2022. The refund from 2022 was put towards the balance from 2021. Okay. I didn't file for 23 and 24. My balance as of today on the IRS website says $2,200 for the year of 2021. I wanted to know if I filed 2023 and 2024 as previous years will, whatever I owe on those years or get back will just be added or subtracted from the initial 2,200 from 2021, right? Well, yeah, I mean, essentially, right? If you get a refund for 23 and 24, you're in an overpayment position for both of those years. Let's say to the tune of $1,000 for 2023 and $1,100 for 2024. Some total overpayments for those 2 years, 2,100. Yeah, bam. That would then be applied to the 2,200 you owe for 2021. Now you would only owe $100 for 2021. Okay. If you have new balances for 23 and 24, it wouldn't affect your 2021 tax account. You'd still owe 2,200 for 2021, but now you would owe, you have new balances for 23 and 24. So then you'd have three balances with the IRS: one for 21, one for 23, and one for 24. At least in the universe of years we're talking about here. So yeah, that's how that works. Yeah, basically, folks, if you have tax debt, the IRS is going to apply any refunds that you would get otherwise to that old tax debt. Okay, so that is how that works. Obviously, tax debt does drop off after the IRS's 10-year collection statute of limitation. Okay, so if a tax year has dropped off, well, then no, refunds wouldn't be applied to that year. But of course, we're not anywhere close to that 10-year statute of limitation here because we're talking about 2021, okay, which is nowhere near 10 years ago. Okay. All right, folks. Good. Thank you, Tank M. That was a good question. It's kind of good to kind of get back to these basics sometimes. I do have more information about that IRS 10-year collection statute of limitation. If you're curious, you can check those videos here at the left-hand side of the screen. And if you owe the IRS at least $10,000 in back taxes, or you have multiple years of unfiled tax returns, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. To take advantage of that, just give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.